guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you've been a part of my channel for a while, then you probably know that I really love soup, especially at this time of year. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Italian wedding soup. I've done my research and Italian wedding soup doesn't necessarily have to do with weddings, but it has everything to do with how ingredients are married to each other to create a really delicious soup. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Now wait you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.